The Puerto Rico Express is located in the shadow of the stratosphere on Las Vegas Boulevard. It is just across, it's on the corner of Wyoming and Las Vegas Boulevard, across from Baja Mar, Super Bonito. And who can forget the OG Tapas Cabaret, open 24 hours. And just in front of Dino's Last Neighborhood Bar in Las Vegas. All right, you guys, today we're in Vegas as always. And I stopped by this place called the Puerto Rican Express. It's right on the Las Vegas Boulevard. Yeah, Las Vegas Boulevard. At the corner of Wyoming and Las Vegas Boulevard. I ordered a steak sandwich, $7.95 plus tax. Gave her a $1 tip. And I ordered mine with no cheese. Don't like cheese so much. And I got this little hot sauce. And I read the reviews. They all said it's a tasty place. So, and I haven't had a steak sandwich in a long time. So here we are. This has lettuce, onion, and tomato. Let's bite it. Now it is noisy right here. Some cars are shooting by left and right. It tastes pretty good, actually. You know? It's my hot sauce. Don't know what it is. Let's see, how hot is hot? That's not bad. Oh, there's the heat. Pour it inside here. Anyway, I've seen this little shop a few times, but never stopped by. Today, got some time, so I pop in, have a bite. Ambulance. Let's see. Not bad. You guys know how I love my street food. Oh, so delicious. Woo! But you know what? It's noisy out here. So here's the hot sauce. Okay. I'm not sure what's in it. It's okay. You know, it's not crazy spicy. So, hey, everyone can enjoy. Well, I can enjoy it. Trying to kill that overexposure. Like I always say, if you see it, buy it, try it. Hope you like it. Take care wherever you are. Have a good day. If you see me outside, say hello, and I will say hello back. Cheers. So if you're in Vegas and you want I had a steak sandwich, and you want to get away from the hurly-burly of those, crowded places and the high prices, come down to the Puerto Rico Express. It's delicious. It's delightful. It's lovely. I'll see you again real soon. Cheers.